Howdy friends, and welcome to The Average J. So periodically when you have a dehumidifier, especially in a basement, sometimes instead of going out of the discharge hose, it'll start filling up the reservoir and you'll get a message that flashes saying empty reservoir or that it's filled. So you'll get some kind of a message. What's causing that? So one of the easiest things to look for to start with is to see if the hose is clogged. If you have it, especially in a basement, you have creepy crawly critters, spiders and little critters that can block it. So what I'll do is I'll take the discharge hose off of the dehumidifier, I'll take it outside and I'll get all of the old cobwebs and dust or whatever is blocking it out. I'll just hook it up, run through water at high power, and it will usually always block that out. What I'll also do is I will take just pipe cleaners. I said in a previous video, in the introductory video, I don't have all the special tools. There's like little special fishing tools to go. I use pipe cleaners. You can get them at any craft store. You use pipe cleaner, you stick it into the outlet, and if there's anything at the edge, it will pull that gunk right out of there. So, and while you're doing it, make sure that you clean your filter. You don't want your filter being blocked. It's going to make the dehumidifier work way too hard. So our hose is cleaned out now and the water is dripping back out of the hose back into my sump instead of going into the reservoir of the dehumidifier. You can proactively check it if you want. Me, I find that it usually takes about 5 or 6 months before my hose gets clogged. I'm not going to proactively take the hose off every 2 to 3 months just in case it's blocked. I wait until the dehumidifier is filled into the reservoir so that I know that it has to be cleaned out. I usually keep my dehumidifier set for about 45% humidity, and if that reservoir fills and the machine shuts off, it'll usually jump to about 65–70% humidity, usually within about 2 to 3 hours. Well, thanks for watching my video, and I'm going to leave you with my dad joke of the day. You know, kids have recently gone back to school, so I thought I'd throw a school-related joke in there. So, how do you catch a school of fish? With bookworms. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next time.